What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. Hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? Got a lot of fake social media accounts. Got a lot of people making these fake King Hussle pages, scamming people still. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or a video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today we're going to be talking about, or this video, we're going to be talking about more business funding, more business loans, more business credit cards, more business lines of credit, more money on the business side. I make a lot of personal bad credit loan videos, but today we're going to be focusing more on the business side. How you get business funded, how you can get business loans, how you can get business lines of credit and credit cards. All right, so today I'm gonna give you guys some sauce and some gems on like how you can get you a EIN only loan for your business. All you need is your EIN number and a minimum of 550 personal credit score, and you can get you an EIN loan. All right, they're giving out major loans up to $75,000. I'm talking about Camino Financial. All right, they're giving out EIN number loans. You can get approved if you got your business and an EIN number. Easy as that, and make it happen. All right, so today we're gonna be talking about Camino Financial, and make sure y'all got y'all businesses in order. Make sure y'all got everything in order that you need to go, because if you don't got your business checking or savings account, it's not gonna work. Make sure you've been in business for at least 9 months, and you should be good. So, without further ado, let's check out Camino Financial. All right, so Camino Financial, business loan with EIN only, the complete guide. All right, so do you know you can apply for a business loan with EIN only? Yes, you can qualify for various funding sources with your employee identification number, whether it's to invest new equipment or inventory, hire staff members, or simply provide an emergency cash. Business needs money to thrive and grow, right? So basically goes into it like, can I use my EIN number instead of my SSN to apply for a loan? Yes, individuals who are not eligible for SSN can still get a business loans using their EIN. The process is usually just as easy as applying for a loan with your SSN. When you use your EIN to apply for a loan, the lender still needs the assurance that the credit score provides, but you will still depend on your business credit history. All right, so what are the types of EIN business loans? Merchant cash advances, MCAs, are loans that businesses repays via credit card sales. You got invoice factoring. Under this model, the lender buys your outstanding invoices for a lump sum. Accounts receivable financing. With this EIN business funding, the lender advances a lump sum based on the total amount of your past due invoices. What are the main requirements for loans using your EIN number? So different lenders will have varying requirements for obtaining a business loan under an EIN. Nevertheless, the most common requirements is providing your business has a long, consistent credit history and a good financial management record. Additionally, many lenders will require an owner's guarantee, which means that the business owner is personally responsible for the loan repayment. In some cases, additional requirements may include providing collateral such as real estate or equipment to secure the loan, a business plan, and a proof of cash flow. How do you get business loan with an EIN? Build a credit history. Because your business EIN is how lenders determine your credit worthiness, the first step is to work towards a strong and positive business credit history. Back up your credit history with paperwork. I've been trying to tell y'all with that paperwork, lenders want to understand your credit profile, so they will ask for financial reports and paperwork. For example, bank statements, invoices, tax returns, and financial projections. I told y'all y'all gotta have your paperwork in order. Take your time. Building a solid credit history will take time, and the longer you build business can prove to establish financial presence the better you get getting a loan. All right, so ensure you have capable financial managers. A good financial manager are crucial to obtaining a business loan with an EIN. They will be able to help you create a plan for success when applying for a loan. All right, so apply for a loan. Once you have established a business credit score, you can apply for a business loan with an EIN number. Find a lender. You will want to start by finding the best lender for your business. Make sure to account for all loan requirements, including terms and fees, and find the one that works best for your business. Prepare documents. Prepare to meet the lender's expectations by gathering your financial reports, proving your ability to repay, and being ready to pay the higher interest rates that come with an EIN only loans. All right, so what is an EIN number? EIN stands for Employee Identification Number, a unique number that identifies your business as an entity apart from you or your business partners for the sake of the loans or taxes. I tell y'all this all the time in my videos. This number is like an SSN that allows you to get business funding based on your company's credit history. The main difference between an EIN and SSN is that one is for people and the other is for business. As such, an EIN allows you to build business credit score not connected to your personal credit score and apply for business loans when you do not have an SSN. I be trying to tell y'all this. When does your business need an EIN? Your business needs an employee identification number, EIN, when it meets any of the following criteria: hire employees, forming a corporation or a partnership, opening a business bank account, filing tax returns, changing business type. How to get an EIN? You get that for free when you get your LLC. Pros and cons of a loan with an EIN number. So the pros: do not require personal credit report, making it ideal for small business owners with lower credit scores who couldn't qualify for traditional loans. Individuals who possess an SSN can still receive a small business funding. They are easier to apply for and more likely to receive approval since they are dependent on solely the business financial information. Than the cons, it is more challenging to obtain. The repayment period is usually shorter. There is a higher risk due to the lack of regular income and other forms of financial security, such as collateral personal guarantee. What are the alternatives of business loans with EIN? Business credit card, personal credit card, friends and family, angel investors, ITIN business loan. All right, so these are just some facts and things like that. So then you want to go to the loans. They got small business loans, they got micro loans, they got startup business loans. So for the startup business loans, they got how to apply for a startup business loan. They got to get to know you and your startup. Tell us about your business and why you require business funding. The process takes just 5 minutes. If you meet the startup loan requirements, you'll be qualified. Link your business account to our platform. Speak to a loan specialist. Accept business financing final terms. Get your small business startup loan. All right. So about the solopreneur startup loan. So all you gotta do is make qualifying for the startup business loan should simple and safe. Minimum requirements, maximum funds. All you need to get a solopreneur loan is an individual tax identification number or social security number, a current bank account, and guarantee at least $1,500 a month. That's all you need. From independent contractors to self-employed, whether you a sole proprietor, self-employed professional, independent contractor, or receive W-2 income, our business loan is perfect no matter what your title may be. All right, so minimum requirements to get started working capital. Simple application, minimum requirements, fast funding. All you need is to have an individual tax identification number, or that's an ITIN number, social security number, a current bank account, and generate at least $1,500 a month. Automated payments. Our payment process is automatically better. Never miss a due date. No more late fees. No payment penalties. Plus, you'll be building your a better business credit history at the same time. Startup business loan terms. We keep you fully informed about business your loan throughout its life, so you never feel lost. So 12 to 24 months loan terms, monthly payment fixed, loan amounts from $1,500 to $7,500, 25.99 to 35.25 APR. So yeah, go check them out. Get you at the $75,000 with just your EIN number, all right? And a 550 credit score from Camino Financial. So without further ado, let's talk about them. So let's talk about it. Camino Financial, they're giving out $7,500 with business loans with just your EIN number. So as long as you got an EIN number and a 550 personal credit score and a business bank account and been in business for at least 9 months, they're going to give you that money, all right? So make sure y'all tap in with Camino Financial. Make sure y'all get y'all businesses together. Make sure y'all got y'all businesses structured right. I will be dropping a video later on today on how to properly structure your business to get a $50,000 business loan. So when they go check you out, they say, oh, your business is structured right. We're going to give you that loan. You have a better chance of getting applied. You're getting a better chance of getting approved. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in Camino Financial. Make sure y'all getting y'all personal credit together. Like I've been telling y'all in the beginning of all my videos. Get y'all Experian accounts so y'all can start tracking y'all personal credit. So you can see what's on your personal credit and know what you need to do. Once you get your personal credit, your credit report, then you need to start cleaning it. Either freeze your credit bureaus and then go dispute all them collections and get all them late payments and all that stuff up there. Or just start adding trade lines if you don't have any credit history at all. Let it marinate. Let it age for a little second. Once it ages for a little second and all that, go add them trade lines from trade line supply. They'll go be the credit limit accounts from the banks. So you're going to have credit cards on your account and you're going to have installment loans. High limits. They love to see it. That's going to allow you to have a better payment history on your credit report. Then you start your business. Get your EIN number. Get all situated. Then go to Camino Financial and apply for the EIN only business loan up to $7,500. That's all you need to do. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Shout out to all my new subscribers, old subscribers, new fans, old fans, new supporters, old supporters. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce. And y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get their credit lessons, anybody looking to build their credit, clean their credit, get loans, credit cards, lines of credit, all that stuff, I'm teaching. My lessons is $600. I'm going to teach you how to do that. But if you want me to do it for you, it starts at $1,500. All right, so make sure y'all tap it in on that. Also, make sure y'all come get y'all FaceTime Unlimited Gems one-on-ones, $1,200. All right, me and you, FaceTime one-on-one. I'm going to teach you everything. CPNs, how to clean and build credit, how to get loans, credit cards, lines of credits, how to make passive income, how to make thousands of dollars a day on social media, how to invest, how to be blessed, dark DW sites, dark DW information, any method out the method book, anything you want to know, I'm gonna teach you that. All right, so make sure y'all tapping into the FaceTime one-on-one Unlimited Gems. All right, $1,200. Get y'all mentorship. It's gonna be the you will get all the Unlimited Gems. Plus, you're gonna learn about the DW, and I'm gonna teach you. We're gonna make money together. All right, so we're gonna make these YouTube automation channels. We're gonna run it up. If the channel make it 10, you get 5, I get 5. The channel make it 20, you get 10, I get 10. Easy as that. Just make sure you're ready to put in that work. The same dedication and motivation that I'm doing to put it in at the channel, and we go run it up. All right, we're gonna get a bag. Also, make sure you book your seat right now on the crypto tour, in-person Unlimited Gems. Meet me in Miami, Memorial Day weekend, 26th through the 29th, $3,500, 10 seats available, 10 slots. So make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all coming to get y'all gems. We're going to run up a bag. I'm going to teach y'all everything you need to know. I'm going to teach you some cybersecurity stuff. I'm going to teach you about give you document. I'm going to give you everything. And we're going to get some money, and we're going to have fun. I'm shooting music videos, blogs, interviews. I'm interacting with the fans, the people. Relationship questions, all that. So you never know. You might end up on a team. You never know. You might get a chain. You might get a watch. You never know what you get. As long as you tap in, you good with me. All right. So also make sure I'm still looking for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, videographers, content creators, rappers, singers, all that. All right. So make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews is $200. Any rappers or singers out there, you want to get your chain, you want to get your watch, you want to start making some real money with this music, tap in. Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest into you or your career. Why should I invest $200,000 into you or your career? Make it make sense. Also, looking for models out there. Any beautiful ladies out there that's ready to elevate, that's ready to be seen, that's ready to build their platform and their brand. You got a good head on your shoulders. You don't got a bad attitude. You know how to listen. I don't know everything, but I know a little bit about a lot. I know how to make things happen. So if you're ready to work, you're ready to, you know what I'm saying, elevate, tap in with me. Let's make this money together. Teamwork, make the dream work. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. And I got you. Also, any videographers out there, you shoot the video, like you go out there, you record the video, boom. You come home and you edit the video, 4K camera, good color grade, good masking skills, good FX effects, good transitions. Tap in with me. If you in Houston, Texas, surrounding areas, or can travel, let's make this money. Content equals views, views equal money. Easy as that. The more content we push out, the more views we'll make, the more money we'll make. Self-explanatory. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all come to get y'all gems, getting y'all lessons, booking y'all seat on the crypto tour. Go follow my Telegram. Links is in my community post. If you missed out on the $5,000 giveaway, don't miss out on the next one. All right, so make sure you go follow me on my Telegram and my IGs. Go run them followers up. Go run them likes and subscribes up on my YouTubes. And y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I see you at the next. Peace.